Welcome to our complete guide on linking your Steam account to Discord. This simple process enhances your gaming experience and lets your friends see what you're playing. First, launch the Discord app on your desktop or open it in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, head to the bottom left corner where your profile picture is and click on the gear icon to access user settings. In the settings menu, look for the connections option on the left sidebar and click on it. You'll see a variety of services available. Click on the Steam logo to proceed with linking your account. You will be prompted to log into your Steam account. Enter your credentials and hit Login. Once logged in, Steam will ask you to authorize the connection to Discord. Click Allow to proceed. Now that you're linked, customize your Discord status and define how much of your game activity you want visible to others. If you run into issues, double-check your login information and make sure both apps are updated to their latest versions. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Steam account to Discord. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how this guide helped you.